Planning a trip to Berlin and wondering what to see? Berlin is more than just a city. It's a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of history, culture, and life. In this gem of Germany, every corner tells a story. Every street echoes with memories. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting tour, exploring the top 5 must-visit spots in this captivating city. From iconic monuments to artistic alleys, there's no shortage of wonders to discover. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Germany. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the iconic Brandenburg Gate. This captivating monument stands tall and proud in Berlin's Mitte district, a beacon of history and a symbol of Germany's reunification. The Brandenburg Gate, or as the locals call it, the Brandenburger Tor, is a testament to the timeless charm of neoclassical architecture. It was built in the late 18th century and has since witnessed the ebb and flow of Germany's history, surviving the test of time and the tumult of global events. The gate's 12 Doric columns create 5 passageways, once used by royalty, citizens, and even Napoleon himself. The stunning quadriga, a 4-horse chariot driven by Victoria, the Roman goddess of victory, crowns the gate, adding an air of majesty to this already impressive structure. This landmark was once a symbol of division when the Berlin Wall stood tall, separating east from west. But today, it's a symbol of unity and strength, a beacon of hope that has seen Berlin transform from a city divided to a city united. And let's not forget, the Brandenburg Gate is a photographer's dream. Its grandeur, combined with its historical significance, makes it a perfect spot for capturing memorable snapshots. In essence, the Brandenburg Gate is more than just a monument. It's an emblem of Berlin's tumultuous past, its resilient present, and its hopeful future. With its rich history and stunning architecture, the Brandenburg Gate is a must-see on any trip to Berlin. Coming in at number 4, immerse yourself in the city's history at the Berlin Wall Memorial. This deeply significant site stands as a testament to the city's tumultuous past, reminding us of a time when Berlin was divided, both physically and ideologically. The Berlin Wall Memorial, or Gedenkstätte Berliner Mauer as it's known in German, preserves a significant section of the former wall. This concrete barrier, once a symbol of division, is now a powerful emblem of peace and reconciliation. Walking along the preserved stretch, you can almost feel the weight of the history that it carries. The wall, which once stood as a stark barrier between East and West Berlin, now stands as a reminder of the city's resilience and its journey towards unity. The memorial doesn't just preserve the wall, though. It serves as a living history book, providing insights into the division of Berlin during the Cold War. It tells a story of a city divided, of families torn apart, and of a people yearning for freedom. Interactive exhibits and information panels guide you through the history, recounting the events that led to the wall's construction, the lives it affected, and ultimately, its fall. They paint a vivid picture of the Cold War era, bringing to life the stories of those who lived through it. A visit to the Berlin Wall Memorial is a poignant reminder of the city's past. It is a place of reflection, a place to remember, and ultimately a place to celebrate the spirit of unity and freedom that Berlin embodies today. At number 3, culture enthusiasts will love the Museum Island. This is not just an island, but a world of its own, filled with a cornucopia of art, history, and culture. Nestled in the heart of Berlin, Museum Island, or Museumsinsel, as it's known to locals, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that houses an array of world-class museums. Each museum on the island holds its own charm, its own story, and its own unique collection that takes you on a journey through time and across cultures. Among these, the Pergamon Museum is a standout, boasting an impressive collection of ancient art and archaeology. Here you can marvel at the majesty of the Pergamon altar and walk through a reconstruction of the iconic Ishtar Gate of Babylon. Just a stone's throw away is the Neues Museum. Stepping inside, you'll be greeted by the enchanting gaze of the bust of Nefertiti, an iconic piece of ancient Egyptian art. But that's just the beginning. The Neues Museum is a treasure trove of ancient Egyptian, prehistoric, and classical artifacts, each telling a tale that adds to the rich tapestry of human history. Museum Island is not just a place, it's an experience. It's an opportunity to immerse yourself in the stories of our past, to stand in awe of human creativity, and to be inspired by the wonders of our shared heritage. With its incredible collection of museums, Museum Island is a cultural treasure trove waiting to be explored. Coming in at number 2, we have the impressive Reichstag building. This architectural marvel is not just a sight for the eyes, but also a symbol of German unity and resilience. Nestled in the heart of Berlin, the Reichstag building stands tall as the home of the German parliament, a beacon of the nation's democratic spirit. Walking through its grand corridors, you'll feel the pulse of German politics. You'll sense the weight of decisions that have shaped the country's past and will define its future. But it's not just about politics here. The Reichstag building is also an epitome of architectural brilliance, where history and modernity coalesce seamlessly. Now imagine ascending to the glass dome crowning this majestic structure. This is no ordinary dome, but a symbol of transparency, literally allowing a view into the workings of the parliament below. A guided tour up here offers panoramic views of the city that are simply breathtaking. From the bustling streets to the sprawling cityscape, you'll see Berlin in a whole new light. But here's a tip: try to schedule your visit in the evening. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a sea of twinkling lights, and the view from the Reichstag's dome is simply magical. It's an experience you wouldn't want to miss. With its fusion of history and modern architecture, the Reichstag building is a must-visit when in Berlin. And finally, at number 1, don't miss the East Side Gallery. This is not just any gallery, it's an open-air one, sprawled across a long stretch of the historic Berlin Wall. It's a canvas that speaks volumes, where history meets artistry in a burst of colors and expressions. The East Side Gallery is a testament to Berlin's creative spirit. It's where artists from around the world have gathered to leave their mark on the remnants of a divided past. The result? Over 100 vibrant murals that narrate 1,000 tales of freedom, unity, and resilience. Each stroke of paint on this iconic wall symbolizes Berlin's journey from division to unity. Here, the concrete that once separated East from West Berlin stands transformed into a beacon of hope and reconciliation. It's a place where the past is not forgotten, but is embraced in a way that fuels the city's vibrant present. The East Side Gallery is not just about the murals, though. It's about the spirit of the city that it embodies. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of Berlin's dynamic culture. It's a place that echoes with laughter, debates, and the sound of street musicians, making it a living, breathing piece of art. So, while in Berlin, take a stroll down the East Side Gallery. Let the colors, the stories, and the spirit of this place inspire you. Because the East Side Gallery is more than a must-visit spot. It's a vibrant expression of Berlin's spirit, making it our top must-visit spot in the city. And there you have it, the top 5 must-visit spots in Berlin. From the historic Brandenburg Gate, the poignant Berlin Wall Memorial, the culturally rich Museum Island, the impressive Reichstag building, to the vibrant East Side Gallery. Each location offers a unique glimpse into the city's past and present, its trials and triumphs. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the vibrant hues of Berlin's history and culture. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more travel tips. Safe travels and see you in the next video.